Christmas, according to me, is less of yourself and more for others.
On being asked what Christmas means to me, there was only one thing that came to mind, and it was nothing but joy.
Christmas, according to me, is less of yourself and more for others. Less of yourself and more for others. If we find for people's happiness first, then eventually we'll attain our own happiness. And I believe that this happiness bears the essence of Christmas. And this is what Christmas means to me.
Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their song employ. While fields and floods, rock hills and plains, repeat the sound in joy.
On being asked what Christmas means to me, there was only one thing that came to mind, and it was nothing but joy. The joy of being able to celebrate the birth of Christ, the joy of being there with my family and being surrounded by my loved ones. I feel Christmas is a time of togetherness, of peace and of hope. So also this year has been a really tough one for us. I hope that this Christmas we can let go of all our sorrows and come together and have a great and wonderful time with our family and with our loved ones. So wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
We wish you a very happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021.
Christmas! Happy New Year!
Wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
We wish